Welcome to your next DIY project. We have something super creative for you. Do you have such old shirts, t-shirts, or blouses hiding somewhere in your closet? Well, it's time to bring them out because we're making something wonderful. In this tutorial, we're sharing with you the steps on how to make a unique chair cover out of old clothes. This is going to be a lot of fun. Follow along! Have you ever tried weaving a chair cover before? Even if this is your first time doing this, we believe you can come up with amazing results. As you can tell, all these old clothes have been cut into strips, whereas now the DIYer is securing them on both sides of a wooden chair frame. If you have been looking for a fun DIY project to do over the weekend, now you know what you're going to make. And now it's time to use more strips and to interlace them with one another in the suggested manner. This is going to be a unique, colorful chair cover. So, the more old clothes you use, the better. The DIYer is also making sure the strips are firmly secured with thread. She's applying the same steps with all the strips. Weaving a chair cover is not difficult. Trust us. We're loving these colors. How about you guys? This is also so satisfying to watch. Don't you think so? Almost done with the weaving. Final steps. Making furniture for your own room must be a fun process. You get to decide how you want your furniture to look. Have a look at the end result and tell us what you think about it in the comment section. Perfecting the chair cover a little bit more. Last touches. Simply wow!